Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. I am Anjana from LearnoHub, the free learning platform where you can study math, science and SST absolutely free at learnohub.com. In today's class, we are going to discuss ICSE Class 10 Maths Chapter 7, Ratio and Proportion, including properties and uses, exercise 7D. In our previous classes, we have discussed about proportion and the different properties of proportion. We have also solved many questions. Today, we will solve together questions from exercise 7D. Are you all ready? Let's solve together. Here we have our first problem, question 9 of exercise 7D. Find the fourth proportional to 2xy, x square and y square. If we don't know a value, we take it as x. Here we already have x, y and all. So that we can take the fourth proportional as a. Okay. Any variable except x and y. For the first question, let the fourth proportional be a. Okay. How can you write this now? 2xy is to x square as y square is to a. Here is where the fourth proportional comes. Or this can be written as 2xy divided by x square is equal to y square divided by a. Now how to find a? Taking a to the opposite side. A is equal to y square. Taking this x square to the numerator in RHS into x square divided by 2xy comes to the denominator. 2xy. Now I can cancel one y from here and this y, one x from here and this x. Therefore, a is equal to xy divided by 2. Okay. A is our fourth proportional. Fourth proportional is equal to xy divided by 2. Now the second question, third proportional to a square minus b square and a plus b. How do you write this? A square minus b square is to a plus b. We need to find the third proportional. For that we have to take third proportional as some variable. Here we don't have x or y. Therefore we can take the third proportional as x. Okay. Let third proportional be x. Third proportional be x. This can be written as a square minus b square is to a plus b as a plus b is to x. Okay. Now, a square minus b square divided by a plus b is equal to a plus b divided by x. This is how we can write this. Now, we need to find x. Taking x to the opposite side, we get x is equal to a plus b into a plus b divided by a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? This is an algebraic formula. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So, in this place of a square minus b square, we can write a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, x is equal to a plus b into a plus b divided by a plus b into a minus b. Okay, a plus b and a plus b can be cancelled. We will be having x is equal to a plus b divided by a minus b. This is the value of third proportional in the second question. Now the third question, we need to find the mean proportional to x minus y and x cube minus x square y. Mean proportional comes in the middle. Okay, here let the mean proportional be a. We are taking a because already we have x and y variables here. Now this can be written as x minus y is to a as a is to x cube minus x square y, or x minus y divided by a. This is how you represent the ratio. Now this proportion will become equal to a divided by x cube minus x square y. Okay, taking a to the opposite side, this becomes x minus y into x cube minus x square y is equal to a into a, or a into a is a square. A square is equal to x minus y into, here we have x cube minus x square y. We can take x square out, x square is common, remaining we have x square into x is x cube, x square into y is x square y minus y. Okay, that is a square is equal to x minus y into x minus y becomes x minus y square, x minus y whole square into x square. Now to find a, we need to take the square root of x minus y square into x square. That is, removing squares and square root, we will be getting a is equal to x into x minus y. So, the required mean proportional for the third question is x into x minus y. Clear? We know to find fourth proportional, third proportional and the mean proportional. Got it? Next problem, problem 2, question 13 of exercise 7D. If 4a plus 9b into 4c minus 9d is equal to 4a minus 9b into 4c plus 9d, prove that a is to b is equal to c is to d. From here, we have to reach here. You know, this is all using the different properties of proportion. Here we have 4a plus 9b into 4c minus 9d is equal to 4a minus 9b into 4c plus 9d. To simplify this, I need to apply the componendo and dividendo property. For that, I have to take this to the denominator, right? Then I will be having a and b containing terms in the numerator and a and b containing terms in the denominator as well. In the opposite side, numerator I will be having c and d containing terms. Denominator also I will be having c and d containing terms. So this becomes 4a plus 9b divided by, here it is multiplication, when it comes to the opposite side, it becomes division. 4a minus 9b is equal to 4c plus 9d divided by, taking this to the denominator, in the opposite side it becomes divided by 4c minus 9d. Okay, now applying the property of componendo and dividendo property, we get, what is it? Here in the place of a we have 4a plus 9b. Place of b it is 4a minus 9b. In place of c, 4c plus 9d, and in place of d it is 4c minus 9d. This becomes 4a plus 9b plus 4a minus 9b divided by 4a plus 9b minus of 4a minus 9b. That is equal to, opposite side, 4c plus 9d plus 4c minus 9d divided by 4c plus 9d minus of 4c minus 9d. Now we will remove this brackets. Okay. In the LHS we have 4a plus 9b plus 4a minus 9b divided by 4a plus 9b. This becomes minus 4a minus 4a, minus of minus is plus, plus 9b. That is equal to RHS. Numerator it is 4c plus 9d plus 4c minus 9d divided by denominator 4c plus 9d, 4c plus 9d minus 4c, minus of minus is plus, plus 9d, minus 4c plus 9d. Now, checking the numerator, here we have 4a and 4a. 4a plus 4a is 8a. 9b minus 9b can be cancelled. Denominator 4a and minus 4a can be cancelled. 9b plus 9b is 18b. This is equal to 4c plus 4c is 8c. 9d minus 9d cancelled. Denominator 4c and minus 4c cancel. 9d plus 9d is 18d. That is here both these 8s can be cancelled. From denominator 18 can be cancelled. We get a by b is equal to c by d, which means a is to b is equal to c is to d. Hence proved. Okay, clear? Here we have used the componendo and dividendo property to solve this. Okay, from this we reached here. Got it? We'll move on to the next question. Problem number 3, question 14 of exercise 7D. If a by b is equal to c by d, show that a plus b is to c plus d is equal to root of a square plus b square is to root of c square plus d square. Okay, it is given that a by b is equal to c by d. Okay, from this we have to reach here. For that, I am applying the componendo property first. Componendo property. What happens when you apply componendo property? This becomes a plus b by b is equal to c plus d by d. A plus b by b is equal to c plus d by d. Okay. Now, I am going to apply alternando property. When I apply alternando property, what happens? This term comes here and this term goes here. Okay, this becomes a plus b divided by c plus d is equal to b by d. Hope you all remember those properties. Only then you will be able to solve these questions. Okay, this is taken as some equation 1. Now, take the same thing, that is a by b is equal to c by d. Okay, now I am squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, what do I get? On both sides, I will be getting a by b whole square is equal to c by d whole square, or a square by b square is equal to c square by d square. Now the same procedures. First I will be applying the componendo property. When I apply the componendo property, what happens? This becomes a square plus b square divided by b square is equal to c square plus d square divided by d square. Next, applying the alternando property. When I apply alternando property, this becomes a square plus b square divided by, shifting this, c square plus d square is equal to b square by d square. Okay. Next step, taking square root for this on both sides. We will be getting root of a square plus b square divided by root of c square plus d square is equal to root of b by d whole square. Now the square and the roots can be removed. This becomes root of a square plus b square divided by root of c square plus d square is equal to b by d. Okay, this was our first equation. Now this is taken as a second equation. When you compare first equation and second equation, RHS is same, right? B by d is on the RHS for both the equations, which means if RHS are equal, then LHS also should be equal. This can be written as a plus b by c plus d is equal to root of a square plus b square divided by root of c square plus d square. That is comparing first equation and second equation, we can reach here. We need this. We got it right. Just we have to write this as a plus b is to c plus d is equal to root of a square plus b square is to root of c square plus d square. In this question, to solve this, we have used the componendo property and the alternando property. So this is it. Got it? We'll move on to the next question. Problem number 4, question 16 of exercise 7D. If 7x minus 15y is equal to 4x plus y, find the value of x is to y. Hence, use componendo and dividendo to find the value of first question 9x plus 5y divided by 9x minus 5y. Second, 3x square plus 2y square divided by 3x square minus 2y square. Here it is given 7x minus 15y is equal to 4x plus y. Now we need to find the value of x is to y, that is x by y. For that, taking all terms containing x to one side and taking all terms containing y to the opposite side, we get 7x minus 4x plus 4x becomes minus 4x when taken to the LHS from RHS equal to y minus 15y becomes plus 15y plus 15y. That is 7x minus 4x is 3x is equal to y plus 15y 16y. Then what is x by y? X by y is equal to 16 divided by 3. We got the value of x by y, that is x is to y is equal to 16 is to 3. Now in the first question we need to find the value of 9x plus 5y divided by 9x minus 5y. Okay, take the given thing, that is x by y. We have found that x by y is equal to 16 divided by 3. 16 divided by 3. Using this, we are going to find this value. Here, we have 9 and 5 in the numerator and denominator. We can use the componendo and dividendo property. For that, first we need to multiply on both sides with 9 by 5. 9 by 5. Here again 9 by 5. LHS, we get 9x divided by 5y is equal to, this 3 and 9 can be cancelled. We get 3 into 3 is 9. 16 into 3, 48 divided by 5. Okay. Now applying the componendo and dividendo property, we will be getting 9x plus 5y divided by 9x minus 5y is equal to 48 plus 5 divided by 48 minus 5. Okay. 9x plus 5y divided by 9x minus 5y is equal to 48 plus 5 divided by 48 minus 5. When you solve this, you will be getting the value of 9x plus 5y divided by 9x minus 5y. What do you get? 9x plus 5y divided by 9x minus 5y is equal to 48 plus 5, that is 53, divided by 48 minus 5, that is 43. This is the value. Okay, we got the value for the first question. Now the second part, we need to find the value of 3x square plus 2y square divided by 3x square minus 2y square. We have x by y is equal to 16 divided by 3. Okay, here we have x square, y square terms. For that, we will be squaring on both sides. Squaring, we get x square by y square is equal to 16 square, that is 256 divided by 3 square, 9. Here we have 3 and 2. For applying the componendo and dividendo property, we have to multiply on both sides with 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. Okay, this becomes 3x square divided by 2y square is equal to, we can cancel 3 and 9. 3 into 3 is 9. 2 and 256. We get 128. So that is 128 divided by 3. Now applying the componendo and dividendo property, applying componendo and dividendo, we get 3x square plus 2y square divided by 3x square minus 2y square is equal to 128 plus 3 divided by 128 minus 3. Okay. So here we have the LHS. This is what the value we need to find. Now adding this, we will be getting 128 plus 3 is 131. 128 minus 3 is 125. So 3x square plus 2y square divided by 3x square minus 2y square is equal to 131 divided by 125. Got it? This is how you can solve these types of questions. Here we have to find the values. For that, in the second question we had to square, because here in the first question it was x and y. But in second question we had squares. First we squared them. After that we need 3 and 2. For that purpose we multiplied with 3 by 2. Then you can easily apply the componendo and dividendo property to find the value. Okay. Next, problem number 5, question 17 of exercise 7D. If 4m plus 3n divided by 4m minus 3n is equal to 7 by 4, use properties of proportion to find first m is to n, second 2m square minus 11n square divided by 2m square plus 11n square. So this is a question similar to the one we have solved just before. It is given 4m plus 3n divided by 4m minus 3n is equal to 7 by 4. To get m by n, we can apply the componendo and dividendo property. When you apply the componendo and dividendo property, what do you get? Here in place of a, we have 4m plus 3n. In place of b, 4m minus 3n. In place of c, it is 7. And in place of d, it is 4. According to the componendo and dividendo property, if a by b is equal to c by d, then a plus b divided by a minus b is equal to c plus d divided by c minus d. 4m plus 3n plus 4m minus 3n divided by 4m plus 3n minus 4m minus 3n is equal to 7 plus 4 divided by 7 minus 4. Okay, 4m plus 4m is 8m. 3n and minus 3n, they can be cancelled. Divided by 4m, here when you remove this bracket you get minus 4m. They can be cancelled. 3n minus of minus plus. 3n plus 3n, 6n. 6n is equal to 7 plus 4 is 11. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay. Therefore, m by n is equal to 11 by 3 into taking the reciprocal and multiplying. Here we have 8 by 6. 8 by 6 becomes 6 by 8. We can cancel with 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 and 8 can be cancelled. 2 into 4 is 8. Which means we got the first answer, that is m by n is equal to 11 divided by 4. Okay. Now the second question, we need to find the value of 2m square minus 11n square divided by 2m square plus 11n square. How to do this? Here we know the value of m by n. Taking m by n is equal to 11 by 4. Just recall the previous question. Here we have squares. For that, we need to square on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we'll be getting m square by n square is equal to, what is 11 square? 121. 121 divided by 4 square is 16. We got m square by n square. Now here we have 2 and 11. How to get 2 and 11 now? We have to multiply with 2 by 11 on both sides. Multiplying 2 by 11 on both sides, we will be getting 2m square by 11 n square is equal to, here this 2 and 16 can be cancelled. We will be getting 8. 11 and 121 can be cancelled. We will be getting 11 here. That is 11 by 8. Now applying the componendo and dividendo property. Applying componendo and dividendo property, we get 2m square plus 11n square divided by 2m square minus 11n square is equal to 11 plus 8 by 11 minus 8. 11 plus 8 divided by 11 minus 8. Okay, that is 2m square plus 11n square divided by 2m square minus 11n square is equal to 11 plus 8, 19, 11 minus 8, 3. We got 19 by 3. Now just check the question. It is 2m square minus 11n square in the numerator. Here we have got denominator as 2m square minus 11n square. What to do now? We have another property, invert endo property. So taking the invert endo property. What happens? Just take reciprocal on both sides. That is 2m square minus 11n square divided by 2m square plus 11n square. Now the question and this are the same. 2m square minus 11n square, 2m square minus 11n square. 2m square plus 11n square, 2m square plus 11n square. RHS 19 by 3 becomes 3 by 19. 3 by 19. So this is your final answer. The value of 2m square minus 11n square divided by 2m square plus 11n square is equal to 3 by 19. And first question, m by n we got, that is 11 by 4. Clear? Okay, let's do the next question. Problem number 6, question 21 of exercise 7D. Using componendo and dividendo, find the value of x. Here we are asked to use this property, that is componendo and dividendo property. The question is root of 3x plus 4 plus root of 3x minus 5 divided by root of 3x plus 4 minus root of 3x minus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, given root of 3x plus 4 plus root of 3x minus 5 divided by root of 3x plus 4 minus root of 3x minus 5 is equal to 9. Can be written as 9 by 1. Now applying the componendo and dividendo property, what do you get? Adding the numerator and denominator first, that is root of 3x plus 4 plus root of 3x minus 5 plus root of 3x plus 4 minus root of 3x minus 5 whole divided by, now a minus b. Here this is a and this is b. Root of 3x plus 4 plus root of 3x minus 5 minus root of 3x plus 4 minus of minus plus root of 3x minus 5 is equal to 9 plus 1 divided by 9 minus 1. Okay. Root of 3x plus 4 plus root of 3x plus 4 becomes 2 root of 3x plus 4. Other terms, root of 3x minus 5 minus root of 3x minus 5. They can be cancelled. Here similarly, root of 3x plus 4 and minus root of 3x plus 4 can be cancelled. Remaining we have root of 3x minus 5 plus root of 3x minus 5, that is 2 root of 3x minus 5 is equal to 9 plus 1, 10 divided by 9 minus 1, 8. This 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. We have root of 3x plus 4 divided by root of 3x minus 4. Okay. Now I am going to square on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Here we have 10 by 8. This can be written as 5 by 4, right? Just cancelling, we get 5 by 4. Squaring on both sides, we get 3x plus 4 divided by 3x minus 5. On squaring, this root and square get cancelled. Is equal to 5 square, 25 divided by 4 square, 16. We need to find the value of x. Again applying the componendo and dividendo property, we get 3x plus 4 plus 3x minus 5 divided by 3x plus 4 minus 3x minus of minus plus 5 is equal to 25 plus 16 divided by 25 minus 16. Okay, 3x plus 3x is 6x plus 4 minus 5 minus 1 divided by 3x and minus 3x can be cancelled. Here we have 4 plus 5, 9 is equal to 25 plus 16, that is 41 divided by 25 minus 16 is 9. This 9 and this 9 can be cancelled. Then we have 6x is equal to 41 minus 1 goes to the opposite side, it becomes plus 1 which implies 6x is equal to 41 plus 1 42 x is equal to 42 divided by 6 which is equal to 7. The value of x is 7. Got it? Here twice we are using the componendo and dividendo property. Clear? The value of x is 7. Okay. Problem number 7. Question 20 of exercise 7D. If x square plus y square divided by x square minus y square is equal to 2 1 by 8, find first question x by y, second x cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube. Here it is given x square plus y square divided by x square minus y square is equal to 2 1 by 8. 2 1 by 8 is a mixed fraction. We have to convert it into improper fraction first. So, x square plus y square divided by x square minus y square is equal to 2 into 8, 16 plus 1, 17. 17 divided by 8. Okay. Now, to find x by y, we will first apply the componendo and dividendo property. Applying componendo and dividendo property, what do we get? Here in place of a, we have x square plus y square. In place of b, it is x square minus y square. C is 17 and d is 8. That is x square plus y square plus x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square minus of x square minus y square is equal to 17 plus 8 divided by 17 minus 8. Now, when you remove this brackets, we will be getting minus x square and plus y square. Now, this y square and minus y square can be cancelled. Then you will be having 2x square divided by this x square and minus x square can be cancelled. Then you will be having y square minus of minus y square, that is y square plus y square, which is 2y square. 2y square is equal to 17 plus 8 is 25 divided by 17 minus 8 is 9. Okay, cancelling these 2's, we will be getting x square by y square is equal to 25 divided by 9. Okay, we got x square by y square. Now, how to find x by y? To find x by y, we need to take the square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides, we will be getting root of x square by y square is equal to root of 25 divided by 9. Root of x square is x, root of y square is y. X by y is equal to root 25 is 5, root 9 is 3. Okay, we got x by y is equal to 5 by 3. Now, the second part it is x cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube. We need to find the value of x cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube. Here we have cube. We already know x by y is equal to 5 by 3. To get cube, we have to take the cube on both sides. Taking cube on both sides. Taking cube on both sides. What do we get? X cube by y cube. X cube by y cube is equal to 5 cube by 3 cube. 5 cube is 125 divided by 3 cube is 27. Okay. Now we need to get the form x cube plus y cube and x cube minus y cube. We can easily apply the componendo and dividendo property, right? Applying the componendo and dividendo property. Applying componendo and dividendo property, we get x cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube is equal to 125 plus 27 divided by 125 minus 27. That is x cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube is equal to 125 plus 27 is 152 divided by 125 minus 27 is 98. Okay. 2 into 76 is 152. 2 into 49 is 98. So, x cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube is equal to 76 divided by 49. Now we can convert it into the mixed fraction form, because in the question we started with the mixed fraction form. X cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube is equal to 49 goes one time. Remainder will be having 27 divided by the denominator 49. 27 divided by 49 is the value. Okay, this is the answer to your second question. Got it? Here we have the last problem for today, problem 8, question 26 of exercise 7D. If 7m plus 2n divided by 7m minus 2n is equal to 5 by 3, use properties of proportion to find first m is to n, second m square plus n square divided by m square minus n square. We have solved many similar questions. So, easily we can solve this. 7m plus 2n divided by 7m minus 2n is equal to 5 by 3. To find m by n, first we can apply the componendo and dividendo property. Applying componendo and dividendo property, what do we get? 7m plus 2n plus 7m minus 2n divided by denominator 7m plus 2n minus of 7m minus 2n is equal to 5 plus 3 divided by 5 minus 3. Okay, 7m plus 7m 14m plus 2n minus 2n can be cancelled divided by 7m minus 7m can be cancelled, 2n minus of minus plus 2n, 2n plus 2n 4n is equal to 5 plus 3 8 divided by 5 minus 3 2. Okay, this becomes 7 by 2. This 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. Then m by n is equal to 8 divided by 7. This is your answer for the first question. That is, m is to n is equal to 8 is to 7. Okay, now the second part. Here we have m by n is equal to 8 by 7. Here this form is m square and n square. So that you have to square on both sides. Taking square on both sides. Taking square on both sides, we get m by n whole square is equal to 8 by 7 whole square. That is, m square divided by n square is equal to 8 square by 7 square. M square by n square is equal to, what is 8 square? 64 divided by 7 square, 49. 49. Now, here we need m square plus n square, denominator m square minus n square. We need to apply the componendo and dividendo property. That is, on applying componendo and dividendo property, we will get a form that is in the given question. That is m square plus n square divided by m square minus n square is equal to 64 plus 49 divided by 64 minus 49, or that is m square plus n square divided by m square minus n square is equal to 64 plus 49, you will be getting 113 divided by 64 minus 49 is 15. So this is your final answer. The value of m square plus n square divided by m square minus n square is equal to 113 divided by 15. Clear? That's all for today. In today's class, we have solved questions from exercise 7D. There are many more problems which you can solve on your own. I'll be back in the next session. Until then, stay tuned to LearnoHub. LearnoHub free hai, par best hai. Thank you.